TMR fam, welcome back. So listen, I did a blind buy on a fragrance, and today we're gonna unbox that fragrance and do a quick review on it. And it's definitely an oldie, but hopefully still a goodie. So again, guys, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, this is the Male Review. I go by AG, and I'm here to be your friend, your comrade, and your brother on this journey of fragrances. On this channel, I'm hoping to walk alongside you as we explore our olfactory scents through niche, designer, Middle Eastern, and clone fragrances. So with that being said, guys, we're going to move on to doing our unboxing and review. And the fragrance we're doing is none other than Armani Code Parfum by Giorgio Armani. Now, I've never owned anything Armani Code. I don't think I've owned a Giorgio Armani. Maybe I have a long time ago. I'm not sure. I looked at the notes on it. I saw it. I knew it was a house that I didn't have a whole lot of experience with, even though it's been out for forever. um, but it just seemed like I looked at some of the notes, and the notes seemed like something I would be into. So, hey, we're gonna do this. I'm doing the blind buy that way you don't have to, unless you just like to live dangerously. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this one. We're gonna do look at the box, see what it looks like, and see what this thing smells like. So let's get into it. All right, so here we have the box. Now this is a 75 ml fragrance, 2.5 fluid ounces. This is the Parfum version. You know, there's been a bunch of flankers and stuff like that of the Armani Code line. So let's go ahead and get this over. So pretty simple box. Yeah, really simple box. No literature or anything like that. And this is also a refillable bottle. So I feel like I'm getting fingerprints on this already. Anyway, this is the bottle, guys. This is what it looks like. This is again the 2.5, which is a 75 ml bottle. It looks like it's really thick glass. I can kind of see the fragrance. It's more so sits about right in here. So it's a bigger bottle, but it's pretty thick glass. So let's go ahead and get this off. So move the cap. Whoa, wait a minute. We got a magnetic cap, guys. Ah, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. We got a magnetic cap. It is plastic, but man, I love that. Absolutely love that. Yeah. So before we get in this, before we spray this, let's go ahead and go over the notes. And I'm just going off of Fragrantica, and we have listed for top notes. We get notes of bergamot leaf. Middle notes, we got iris, some aldehydes, we get clary sage and orris. And then in the base notes, we get some tonka bean and we get some cedar. And seems like it'd be something I would actually enjoy. So we're gonna go on ahead and get this in the air and get it on paper, and then maybe we'll put it on some skin as well and see what this thing smells like. So let's go ahead. So let's look at the atomizer. Decent atomizer. I mean, I got a spray out to, well, I'm off camera right now, but probably about out to here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Ooh. Off paper, it's definitely getting the citrus stuff coming through. It was a little much off the paper. But I can already smell this in the air and tell this is good. This is really good. This is another one of those ones that's probably going to be great for, I say, fall time and springtime. You could probably, it's the middle of winter right now. I'm gonna be honest, I'm going to wear this right now. I'm going to wear this, but yeah, let's see. But yeah, this definitely seems like it'd be something that'd be great for fall and spring, perhaps. I would say summer months. I wouldn't necessarily wear this one in the summer. Could be a little too warm for that. Maybe like summer. I wouldn't even wear this summer evening. To be honest with you, this one for me sits about where, now I did scent of the day the other day, and I did a scent of the day on uh Intenso by Dolce and Gabbana, and this kind of sits somewhere in the same realm as that, a little bit heavier, a little bit of a darker scent, but definitely sits somewhere in that same family of, it's definitely cooler weather fragrance, but it's not just so heavy, so sweet, so, you know what I mean, like some winter fragrances really get deep, really get heavy, really get, you know what I mean. It's not like that. This is one that could be worn, I can see wearing this potentially in office. This is, oh yeah, that smells great. And I love it in the air. In the air, I'm definitely getting more of that iris note coming through. um the bergamot leaf definitely come through, because I can definitely get more of the bergamot leaf, because you're kind of getting this earthy, it's a bright citrus note, but it's a little earthy, it's slightly dirty, and I like it. I like it. And it does, right now it is pumping more of the citrus coming through, but I am in the air getting more of the cedar, the tonka bean. I'm getting more of those other notes, again being a little more fresh, but then at the same time being a little warm as well, but not overly heavily warm, like, you know what I mean. It's not one of those. So yeah, this is, yeah, I might put this on tomorrow, wear this tomorrow. Yeah, in the air, you're definitely getting more of that sage. You're getting more of the iris, the orris, the tonka bean. Like I said, on skin, when you first spray it on, that bergamot and bergamot leaf comes through. Like, I really, really smell it off skin and off paper, especially off paper. Spraying it off the rip. But I think that this one is really good. This is definitely going to be a keeper for me. Definitely going to keep this one in the tuck. It definitely has a place and a position in my rotation of fragrances. So yeah, this I say definitely this could be a really good one. I think it's really easy for anybody to pull off and to wear. I think it's gonna kind of be a maybe not an all season, maybe like an all year long fragrance. Like I said, maybe like springtime. I would wear it in the winter, me personally. I mean, but that's just me. You know what I mean? So, I've also worn some deep winter fragrances in the summer before. You know what I mean? And I just pulled it off. But I would definitely say this one works for spring. I would definitely say that it works for fall. Yeah, this could definitely work. Those cooler mornings and stuff like that in the spring, and also as it's starting to cool down in the fall, this would be great to wear. I'm also going to wear this one, like I said, in the winter. Summer, I don't know. It would have to be a very, like, one of those really cool summer day. But this to me is not, even though you got the bergamot leaf, it's not a summertime scent for me. I don't think so. But again, you know, there's really no rules when it comes to this thing. Wear what you want when you want to wear it. Just be mindful of everybody else around you. But yeah, this one is definitely good. Gonna definitely be in the rotation. I think that this is kind of like, so that's seasonal when I would wear it. Where I would wear this, oh yeah, that's starting to mellow out in the skin. I would wear this to work. I would do this, you know, even in the office setting. It's a parfum version, but it's not overly heavy. Some parfums can just be very, very, very sweet and sappy and just kind of almost syrupy. It's not like that. My apologies. So it's definitely one I would wear potentially to work. Date night, I wear this date night. I think I wear this on date night. I think it'd be okay. I think this is kind of one of those ones that you kind of could wear this anywhere. You know, honestly. It's kind of an all occasion type of fragrance. It's just one of them. So yeah, I'm definitely happy on this. Good blind buy for me, at least. As always, make sure that you guys, if you don't want to blind buy, if you don't want to live life dangerously, make sure that you go buy a fragrance counter somewhere and actually get a sample of this, smell it for yourself, live with it for a little bit, see what you think first before you spend the money on getting it. But yeah, definitely a win for me. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. This is Armani Code Parfum by Giorgio Armani. So like I said, guys, that's going to be it. Hope that you like this video. If you did, make sure that you like it and also share it with somebody else you think would benefit and also want to become a part of the family. Also, if you want to become a part of the family, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you get notified every single time that I post. And also make sure that you comment down below. Let me know if you tried this one out. Like I said, this fragrance came out 2022. It's been out for a little while, 2 years. Of course, Armani has been around a lot longer than that, but this one in particular, the Parfum, has been around for 2 years. Let me know if you guys have used this one, where you use it, how you like it, whether you don't like it. Leave it down in the comment section and let me know. And until the next one, guys, this is the Mel Review. I go by AG, and remember to always stay distinctively unique.